So this is the Revolution setup at Zandvoort. Here we've got the parts truck. So this is where all the spares are kept. We've got all the radio headsets on charge there. We come across to the truck with the double awnings. So on the left side we've got 4 cars. All the cars are prepped now and ready for tomorrow. At the rear we've got the tyre tent, all the sets of tyres laid out for the cars, slicks and wets. And if we now go next door we've got a further 2 cars. We've got the new Evo model as well as a 500 SC, so this is the Evo model and a 500. At the back we've got hospitality in the driver's area, so if we go down we have a helmet rack here which is fan assisted to dry out the helmets, refreshments here, and a seating area for drivers to relax. Down here we've got the driver folders whereby they fill out information in terms of how the car's handling at each turn, but it's got understeer, oversteer, and then any mechanical issues, and that gets fed back into their lead engineer. So there's 1 folder per driver. And then we head up into the truck where we've got the driver's changing area here, so it's where they store their kit and get changed. And then in here is the data room. So in the data room this is where they come after the session to study data. We've got a network set up, so as soon as the data is downloaded, all the laptops will have the information. Have a printer there for printing out lap time information. So ample seating for multiple drivers and laptops to study their data. It's got air conditioning and heating and a TV, so they can watch their lap videos. And we've got the Zandvoort sand dunes in the back there. So it's a nice setup. Multiple trucks, all ready for a great weekend.